General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's update this just a tad bit before we get into Q2. This is month. This is week. Okay. Does this have dollar? It does. Dollar. Let's do this today. Then I do the weekly. Then I do the daily. Then I do the 4 hour. I do the H1. Yep, that'll work. Then I do alert. Set. Okay, yeah. And then this is the part that I need the most. Let's copy this. Let's go here. It's Tuesday. Let's go back. It's Wednesday. And then go back. This is right. Thursday. And go back. And Friday. So this week, let's go here. Let's take this week off. Delete this. Delete this. And then delete this. I duplicate this week. Duplicate. Okay. Duplicate. And just rename this. Okay. To this month. Q1. I'm pretty sure let's just do a random week. Thursday. Okay, that's true. Let's go week, go month, go Q1. So delete these 2 months. Delete. Then duplicate this month. And rename this. That way I'll be set up for the quarters. So it's quarter 2. That's quarter 4, quarter 3, and then duplicate this. And that'll give me quarter 3 here. And do this one more time. Quarter 4 here. Three. And I'll change the colors and all that stuff when I get to it. But the thing I want to be intentional with is this is the last week of this month, because next month is, it's another day that follows, but as long as the news constantly come through how I want it to come through, it'll be the start of the next monthly cycle, basically. But this part is the part that needs to be better. Thursday. And then put this on Friday. Friday. Let's go back here. I did like how this blank month I was able to do the artwork and all that stuff differently. I don't really want to be using the same artwork over and over and over. 2025. I like the random choice of artwork for the day vibe. Okay, perfect. Let's get something for news. This Forex Factory. So GDP and all that stuff came in. Tomorrow is PCE. Friday needs its own thing too, because it looks like I've been taking Friday. Well, not looks, but the last couple Fridays I ain't been doing it. Then I'll do it on when I do my Sunday. PCE on Friday. Important metric for Fed fund rate, but I don't usually see big moves on PCE. It's good to see me Fed watch. Okay, chance of cut went up. It's like it went up by 1% here. Chance of rate cut. goes up 1% for, I believe that's May. We're more focused on June. Let's go here. 63. It feels the same for June. Slight up, just a nudge. Unemployment and GDP news today push chances of rate cuts up, but not by much. Earnings, I already know there's no earnings. And that's how I got that on the start of the week. Let's go here. Before, yeah. Nothing, there's never any good earnings on a Friday. Like ever in the history of earnings. It's like they know they want to take the day off or something. Never any good earnings on Friday, and still nothing significant. Let's go dollar on the daily. Okay, this is how I look at this. We wicked it, but we didn't close below it. Still going with the down. Don't know if this is the start of the down. Could be. Today is a pretty decent day. Let's do this like this. Yeah, that's better. We closed. No, we wicked. We wicked the low of this candle. The low of the up candle. But we didn't close below it. If I was going to be convinced, I would rather see a close or a close below or a bearish FUG. No PCEs tomorrow. This can give us confirmation on lower time frames. Today, this is target miss. We did hit the area I wanted it to induce, but no close through the new week opening gap. Let's go this. Induce, but we didn't get any want to say we didn't get any displacement or bearish FEGs to show order flow. Wanted to go down. Could be the old after large range day. Expect chop. ICT saying. It was still tradable. It was just choppy. Still tradable, just choppy. And let's go here. Let's go weekly. All right, so this weekly candle can finish right here. Don't need much. We don't have any resting weekly liquidity levels. Resting. That was close by that we need to. We just need to reach to. Could do this. Come on, man. I don't know what that was. They finna update this thing again. Watch, they up 3 updates in a date. That's what they be on. Okay, delete this. That was that alert line. So we came back to this area that's completely balanced. It's like a BPR on a daily. We still need a down candle through this, and then we're gonna need an up candle through this. This day created, I think that's like a pinkish color I got at the top. Settings. I think it's like this or something. Take this off. Turn this dotted. See if that, nope, that don't match. Maybe it's like number 3, pink number 3. Okay, there it is. Down, down. This is not convincing. We didn't have no strong signature like, oh, this is going back up on the hour. Either it just chopped. Daily, this is completely balanced. Nothing over here is interesting. We ran sell side right here. This is more interesting than this, like this daily fair value gap. Completely closing through here will show some strength. We're still on the previous quarter low. We're still way up under 2025 open price. I like the way this order block was formed. Yeah. If it's not ready, go up, then go back down. Like from here, this makes sense. It could chop all through there, but expect a choppy delivery. Daily fair value gap has my interest. Expecting choppy delivery. Daily fair value gap has my interest. Has a retracement target. I'm just following from here, straight down from here. Here. I would want to see, even in a small retracement up to the new day, open the gap. To new day, open the gap. E. So right here, I would at least want to see this. I want to see some type of respect of a bearish level before looking for sales. Before looking for sales. Yeah, let me update this picture. Update this link. Let's go H4. So this will be a daily fair value gap now. We can even move this up. We dug into it right here. We kind of hit that 2 times. Let's make this gray and do this. We'll close above. I still like this level. Like, I feel like this should still go here first. I still like my target. I do. We're closing below these levels. You got a body close. It's just ugly. That's all. We took out this. Let's just make it white. It's like it was doing some type of took the high, took the low, took the high. I mean, this low makes the most sense. This we're closing below lows. Yeah, we're still in this range. We really could just take this low tomorrow and then revert back to equilibrium here. We don't have any signatures, no bullish fair value gaps or bearish fair value gaps right here. The only thing we have is we close below this up candle, which is cool. First time we did that, but this range is just ugly. I'm gonna keep my same target because it's an order flow target, drawn liquidity target. This is fair value. Something can happen here, then we can go here, then we can go there, but it's still super ugly. Let's go 19,857.75 is my target. No fair value gaps on the 4 hour. We tapped yesterday's fair value gap, but we didn't get fair value gap reaction. So that's a sign price is being held. Okay, keeping the same target. Target 19, 857.75. This is in our order flow. Also know Friday is usually, well, also know I wouldn't be surprised if we just purge and revert to EQ of this accumulation range and wait for next week cycle. I don't have no alerts here, and I just do the alert thing on there, but I wanted to make sure I get that done. So I'm gonna find this here. Okay, it's right here. That's just the daily level. Target's still the same. Nothing changed here. I can take this off now. That's that new week opening gap. Clean chart. 19, 857.75 is my target. $19,857.75 is my target for Friday. Let's look at that. All right, cool. Support. All right, that's all we have for today. Y'all keep it cool. Peace. Save this right quick. Perfect.